Hey, well, back tuning into today's video, doing 5-day forecast today, having a detailed look at when it's 5 days across the British Isles. So we're going to be colder over the coming 5 days. We're going to be going on to the cold side of the jet stream. And low pressure will be within the flow. So that's going to bring quite a bit of rain on Saturday to the south. On the northern edge of that rain, there could be some snow. Deciding where the northern edge of that rain is going to be is causing all sorts of headaches. At the moment, anywhere from Wales and Midlands and Northern England looks most likely to see some snow on Saturday. But overall, it will be a colder feel over the coming 5-day forecast period with risk of night frost and maybe some icy patches as well. So we'll have a look at all the charts in a second, but before we go on with that, it's very quick to mention the ads. Just need to type on all the pages, visit. You can have browse widgets and click through the links to any articles that you're interested in. You're helping to pay for our website. Thanks so much for doing that. The websites we're using for the 5-day forecast came from weatherout.com and weathertip.de. Find links to both websites on the links page. So starting with the radar picture, well, we've had some quite heavy showers down across the southwest through this morning. They're fading now, moving down into the channel. Otherwise, there's a lot of dry weather around, really. There's some quite heavy showers across western Scotland, and they are wintry up there. Excuse me. But other than that, a fair amount of dry weather across the country today, and that will be the case for tomorrow as well. Here's today's tropic pressure chart. Low pressure is moving away into Central Europe. It's leaving us in this pretty cold, chilly northwesterly wind. So we'll keep further showers down in the southwest, but easing in intensity compared to this morning. Wintry showers across the north and west of Scotland. Otherwise, a fair amount of dry weather with fairly decent sunny spells coming through. It is a chilly day, temperatures around 3 to 8 Celsius. Now that's only around average really for the 10th of February. It's not particularly cold, but of course because we've had such an exceptionally mild winter up to this point, it does feel pretty chilly out there, and it will do through the course of this afternoon. As we go through into tonight, we're going to keep a lot of dry weather across the country. There will be some wintry showers, sleet and snow showers coming into central northern parts of Scotland particularly, and there'll be wintry showers perhaps continuing around western coast, but otherwise a lot of dry weather through the course of tonight. Temperatures will get close to freezing though. They're going to be quite a cold night. There could be frost and ice almost anywhere, but particularly where we've got those showers in the north and the west, with temperatures getting down towards 0 degrees Celsius in rural locations. You may need to scrape the car windscreen in the morning. But Thursday morning should be very pleasant really. A good deal of sunny spells coming through despite that cold start. We've got the band of wind showers across Scotland. They'll be moving southwards into Northern Ireland and Northern England, fading as they do so. But for parts of northwest England, Wales and southwest England, there could be some quite heavy showers setting up through the course of tomorrow afternoon, mainly of rain, a little bit of wintriness perhaps over high ground. Temperatures again very similar to today, around 2 Celsius to 7 Celsius, a little bit colder than today, but even so, nothing overly dramatic really. On Friday, we'll bring this little weather system in to the southwest. It's just going to graze the southwest and then slip away to the south of us. So I think we're going to have some outbreaks of rain across Ireland, the south of Wales, into southwestern England through the course of Friday. Some of that could be quite heavy on Friday morning, but it will move away through the course of Friday afternoon. Little bit of sleet and snow possible for the high ground of South Wales and the moors of southwestern England only. Generally it is just rain I think on Friday. The rest of the country, plenty of dry weather. We will find this easterly wind picking up in the east and the northeast, which will make it feel quite cold, but there's sunny spells coming through, so with temperatures of around 3 to 8 Celsius. Again, it shouldn't feel overly cold really. And then we move through into Saturday, and this is where we've got question marks really overnight, Friday into Saturday, and then through Saturday itself, as this area of low pressure comes in from the west. This is 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, with low pressure moving in to west of the country, and then it pushes across England and Wales through the course of Saturday. Now on the northern and eastern side of this area of low pressure, some quite cold air, so I've got to decide where the northern flank of this low pressure is going to be. That's important because it's the boundary between mild air in the south and cold air from the north. There could be some snow on that boundary. This latest one of the GFS has took this low pressure a little bit further north. So this is really suggesting for northern England and Wales, North Wales particularly, we've got a risk of snow on Saturday. But I have to emphasise this could be further north from here, it could be further south. So let's just say northern England, parts of Wales, the Midlands, Lincolnshire, southwest Scotland as well, has the risk of rain or snow on Saturday. Further south, which is really for central southern parts of England, into the southeast, I think it's mainly going to be rain. To be honest, this low pressure going to be trending a long way southwards from here to get snow down in the far south of the country. So mainly just heavy rain in the south. And I think the bulk of Scotland is probably going to stay mainly dry and cold through the course of Saturday, with a brisk easterly wind and chance of some snow showers in northern eastern Scotland. A big contrast in temperatures on Saturday, even north of Scotland, probably no better, but around 1 or 2 Celsius. But far south of England could be up to 10 or 11. And in between, of course, that's where we've got all of the rain and the snow on the boundary, dividing the cold and the mild temperatures. That low pressure gets out of the way into Sunday and leaves us in this cold northerly wind. The low pressure is sitting in the North Sea, though, so it could bring further wintry showers to eastern parts of the country through the course of Sunday. This is Valentine's Day, of course. So Valentine's Day could have some wintry showers in the far east of the country. Otherwise, western parts and in the south, fair amount of dry weather with sunny spells coming through. Temperatures will feel quite cold in those northerly winds, ranging from around 2 Celsius in the north of Scotland to 7 Celsius on the south coast. And then we finish the 5-day forecast period on Monday, bringing in this brisk northerly to northeasterly wind. That could bring further wintry showers into the east, and these could even get into the southeast on Monday. So if you live in East Anglia, southeast England, you may see some snow on Monday from these northeasterly winds. Don't think it'll amount to too much, but there could be wintry showers in the east. Northern and western areas under this ridge of high pressure, generally a lot of dry weather, but expect frost and ice early and late, with temperatures by day on Monday pretty cold at around 1 Celsius to 6 Celsius north to south. Finally, have a look at charts from the weather outlook. So here's today's weather. It's suggesting quite a bit of rain down the south. I'm not sure what that is all about. There will be showers around, as already seen, but generally a lot of dry weather actually coming through today. Thursday, having a lot of dry weather as well. Could be some showers in the west and the southwest, but otherwise bright and chilly sums it up. Some rain in the south on Friday. I think this is a bit too far north with this rain. I think it'll be generally further south of that. And then we go through into Saturday with a risk of rain across parts of England and Wales, particularly central southern areas. Could be snow on the northern edge of that rain, and where the boundary is between mild and colder air, got to firm up on. Pretty cold day though on Saturday, and fairly cold as we go into Sunday and into Monday as well, with an ongoing risk of wintry showers in the north and the east. So in summary, it's a colder period coming up. Nothing overly dramatic, certainly not severely cold, but it's colder compared to what we've had through the course of this winter so far, which has been exceptionally mild, of course. Fair amount of dry weather for today and tomorrow. Rain in the far southwest on Friday, and then Saturday is quite an interesting day. Heavy rain in the south on the boundary, and where that boundary is we don't quite know yet, but on the boundary of colder and milder air, there could be some snow on Saturday, anywhere through Wales and Midlands, Lincolnshire, Northern England, up to southwest Scotland. So a big area is potentially within this boundary. And then go through into Sunday and Monday with cold, northerly winds and wintry showers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.